The allure of reclaimed wood lies not just in its unique character, but also in its rich history and the sustainability it represents. As society becomes more aware of environmental issues, woodworking businesses centered around reclaimed materials have found an unprecedented opportunity. The artistry involved in transforming old wood into stunning creations speaks to both creativity and craftsmanship. Each piece tells a story, reflecting the passage of time and the journey it has taken to arrive in the hands of a skilled artisan. Starting a woodworking business focused on reclaimed wood offers numerous advantages. First and foremost is the environmental impact. By utilizing materials that would otherwise end up in landfills, woodworkers are playing a vital role in sustainability. This ethos resonates with a growing consumer base that prioritizes eco-friendly products, thereby enhancing the marketability of reclaimed wood creations. When consumers know they're making a responsible choice, they're often willing to pay a premium for handcrafted pieces that align with their values. Furthermore, reclaimed wood offers an extensive palette of textures, colors, and grains that new lumber simply cannot replicate. The imperfections and unique features of reclaimed wood give each piece an identity of its own, allowing artisans to imbue their work with personal touches that distinguish their brand. This uniqueness can be leveraged in marketing strategies, emphasizing the individual character of each item. It's also an excellent storytelling angle, as customers are keen to hear about the origin of the wood and the inspiration behind its new life. In terms of business operations, sourcing reclaimed wood can be both affordable and ethical. Scrap wood from construction sites, old barns, and furniture pieces can often be acquired at a fraction of the cost of new lumber. Additionally, negotiating partnerships with local demolition companies or salvage yards can lead to reliable sourcing channels, providing a steady inventory of quality materials. This sustainable approach not only reduces costs, but also creates a narrative that can be shared with customers, enhancing the perceived value of the products. Diversification is another critical aspect to consider in a woodworking business centered around reclaimed wood. While the focus may initially be on one product type, such as furniture or home decor, the versatility of reclaimed wood opens doors to a myriad of possibilities. By experimenting with various products, woodworkers can identify profitable niches and tailor their offerings to meet specific market demands. This flexibility is vital in a business landscape that is often affected by seasonal trends and changing consumer preferences. Customer engagement plays a crucial role in establishing a successful woodworking business. Sharing the journey from salvaging the wood to its transformation into a final product helps consumers forge a connection with the craftsmanship involved. This storytelling approach extends to social media, where images and videos can showcase the working process, creating a sense of involvement for potential buyers. By building a community around the brand, artisans not only increase visibility, but also foster customer loyalty, leading to repeat purchases and word-of-mouth referrals. Moreover, incorporating educational elements into the business model can enhance consumer interest. Workshops or classes that teach woodworking techniques using reclaimed materials can serve as both a revenue stream and a marketing tool. By inviting customers to experience the crafting process firsthand, artisans cultivate a deeper appreciation for their work and the skills involved. This interactive approach not only enhances brand image, but also encourages a sense of community, drawing in individuals who may be inspired to embark on their own woodworking journeys. As the demand for unique and sustainable home decor items continues to rise, woodworking businesses focused on reclaimed wood can capitalize on this trend. Offering limited edition pieces can create urgency and exclusivity, encouraging consumers to make quicker purchasing decisions. Collaborating with local artists or influencers can amplify reach and exposure, bringing attention to new collections or seasonal offerings. The creative landscape is rich with opportunities for those willing to innovate and adapt. Financial aspects must also be considered carefully within this business model. Initial capital investments may vary based on sourcing methods or workshop setup. However, prudent budgeting and strategic planning can ensure a healthy return on investment. By tracking costs, production times, and sales trends, woodworkers can make informed decisions that bolster profitability. Additionally, exploring various sales channels, such as online marketplaces, local craft fairs, or partnerships with retailers, can expand market reach and optimize revenue streams. The woodworking industry has witnessed a remarkable shift toward the use of reclaimed wood, driven by both aesthetic appreciation and a growing commitment to sustainability. As consumers increasingly gravitate toward environmentally friendly choices, businesses that specialize in reclaimed wood creations find themselves uniquely positioned to tap into this lucrative market. This eco-conscious material, rich with character and history, offers artisans an abundance of creative possibilities. From rustic finishes to polished designs, reclaimed wood can embody a myriad of styles that appeal to a diverse clientele. Moreover, sourcing this wood involves minimal expenses compared to purchasing new lumber, as many artisans can acquire materials from building demolitions, urban renewals, or private sellers looking to dispose of old structures. Such sourcing not only enhances profitability, but also serves a dual purpose, promoting environmental stewardship while preserving architectural heritage. As artisans craft their pieces, they engage in a dialogue with their materials, allowing the unique features of reclaimed wood, such as knots, weathered textures, and color variations, to inform their designs. This not only elevates the artistry, but also fosters a narrative that resonates deeply with consumers looking to invest in one-of-a-kind home decor. As marketing strategies evolve, storytelling has become essential. Sharing the journey of each piece, from its historical roots to the artistic transformation, connects customers to the products on a personal level. Furthermore, workshops and community events can be invaluable for creating brand awareness while educating consumers on sustainable practices and woodworking techniques. Expanding into social media channels not only showcases the creative process, but also nurtures a community of fans and potential customers. The flexibility involved in crafting with reclaimed wood allows artisans to diversify their offerings, adapting to seasonal trends and customer preferences. In this changing landscape, where growth is tied to both profitability and purpose, woodworking artisans have the opportunity to lead a movement toward responsible consumerism, transforming old growth into new goals with every creation they bring to life.